Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to show you guys all of the items that I will be decluttering to friends. I am decluttering these to friends simply because I have touched them or used them or they're opened or whatever. The scents, obviously I could sell these, but I just don't like these different scents, and I don't want to give them or sell them because I don't know how to describe them simply, and they're really not my scent. So I'm going to declutter them to friends so that they can smell them and see if they want any of them. But everything here I have swatched or used or tested out or whatever, and these are all the items that I am going to be just giving away to my friends. So I have the Beauty Crop lipstick, Anastasia Beverly Hills, 2 from Wet n Wild, 1 from Lipstick Queen, Buxom, Ulta Beauty. This is YSL, 2 from Ulta, Stila. This is Wet n Wild, another YSL, Smashbox, 2 from Tarte. This is Estee Lauder, Cella eyebrow thing, 2 brow powers from It Cosmetics, 1 concealer from Pretty Vulgar. This one is just way too dark for me and it oxidizes. And then a Tarte Tarteist lip paint. This is a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, but it is a very orangey red, which is not my shade of red. So I did try this out and swatch it, so I figured I would give it to a friend. I have the Balm Betty Luminizer. It's way too dark. You guys, if you've seen my inventory, you've seen me swatch this. Way too dark for me. I have 2 of these Model Co's metallic eyeshadow trios. I just don't like these little trios. I'll never pick them up over an eyeshadow palette, so there's that. I have 4 scents from Luxury Scent Box. I did keep 1, and I was gifted these from Luxury Scent Box, so there's that. And then I have 2 foundations from e.l.f. One is in the shade Sand, the other in the shade Buff. I have the Colourpop and Shayla Under Construction. This could be like a blush bronzer, but it's just way too dark for me. I have a Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip. I'm not sure if this has gone bad or anything, but if it has, I'll just toss it. A sample from Carol's Daughter, the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I hated this. I tried so many times to like it and I just didn't. A Labella Max Hold Styling Gel. I just don't use this. This is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Etherealist Skin Illuminating Foundation. This shade is too deep for me. It's deep EF13, which is going to be way too deep. A Marc Jacobs New Nudes lipstick. Then we have the Stila palette. This is the Eyes Are the Window palette in the body one. This one is a very, very blue purple palette, and I don't know, it just didn't perform the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to declutter this. I have a pair of lashes from Tarte, the Tarteist Pro Cruelty Free Lashes in Little Black Dress. I don't wear lashes, so that's silly for me to keep it. The Buxom Wildly Whipped Lightweight Liquid Lipstick in White Russian. This is a Becca lipstick in, again, that red-orange shade, which is definitely not my shade. Then the NYX Pore Filler. I am very, very dry, so this just balls up on me and looks terrible. This is from Huda Beauty. It is the Hydra Liner. I just don't like eyeliners like this. I like my liquid liners, and I'm good with that. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick in the shade Yachting. This is one of my absolute favorite formulas, and I debated on keeping it, but I will literally never wear this shade. It's just so dark, and if I'm going to wear a shade like this, it's going to be a super dark brown instead of a super dark like plummy berry color, so there's that. I have quite a few lippy sticks from Colourpop, some of them in that same like darker shade like this, some of them in lighter shades, a pink and an orange, so that's kind of the overview of the shade colors there. And then another Model Co metallic eyeshadow trio, the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Bikini Contest. This one's quite a bit darker than Ticket to Brazil. It's just a little too dark for me. The LOC, or I think it's called Love of Color, the Liquid Shimmer Shadow in the shade Stardust. I have 2 of these and I have yet to use them, so I figured I would just declutter this to a friend. Then I have a little blister pack of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Brouhaha. I can't remember, this is a dark color, dark brown color, but I can't remember if it's broken or not, so I figured I would just give it to a friend. Then the Lilly Lashes. I have tested out both of these lashes, but only once, so I figured if somebody would want them, it would be a friend, because they know that I'm not like dirty, if that makes sense. These are in the style Gaia, Gaia, I don't know. And then finally I have this Buxom, what is it, Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick in the shade Wine Me. It is a very like purpley color, and that's just not my shade, so there is that. So let me show you guys these two Model Co metallic eyeshadow trios. I do believe that they are different colors. Let's see, yeah, so this one is quite pinky in the shades. It doesn't, I don't think it has like a shade name. Oh, this is Mykonos. Mykonos is the shade of this one. And then this one is more of a nudie, yellowy, bronzy color, and this one is in Saint-Tropez. Yes. So those are those two shades. I have swatched these before, and I think I attempted to wear this one or this one. No, I attempted to wear this one, and I just didn't love it, and like I said, I'm just never gonna reach for these, so yeah, there's that. Yeah, these are all of the items that I am going to be decluttering. This declutter pile has been happening since, I want to say, like last October. I have just been throwing things in here that I know I haven't like used or I don't want or whatever. And as I've been going through my inventory, I have been decluttering things as I go, because some things I'm not going to wear. Like this e.l.f. foundation, I really used to like this, and now I just don't want that much coverage, so I just don't like it anymore. So there's that. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked this kind of style of declutter. I was gonna like go on camera and like show you guys each item one by one, but I don't know, I feel like this is a better way of doing it, so you could kind of see the whole collection of the declutter all at one time. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing me declutter things as we go, because you guys know I have a big collection and I really don't need everything that I have. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!